Hey, what's up YouTube? Coming at you with another video. I said I'd do on my Maserati Ghibli SQ4. This is the fuel pump cost, high pressure and low pressure with maintenance and all. It ended up being $2,278 for the Maserati Ghibli, and I went to Woodhouse Maserati of Omaha. You know, here it is. They had it, you know, they diagnosed it. High pressure pump bucket, whatever. I'm guessing it's 803 for the high pressure pump. Yep. Tech replaced both high and low pressure pumps. Vehicle is operating as designed at this time. $1,830 total for parts. Yeah. And I mean, I didn't think that was outrageous at all or anything. I thought it was a pretty decent deal because the high pressure one's pretty tricky to get to. See? Low pressure fuel pump for the V6. $326. Plus the gasket. $1,388. Yep. Oh, labor was $803. Parts $1,368 altogether. Shop supplies, I'm guessing that's what they used for, like, you know, brake clean, stuff like that. They also detailed the car before I got it back, and they gave me a pretty cool water bottle and a pen. They gave them multi-point inspection and everything. They give you a full report on everything. I had a pretty decent list on things that needs to be done on this car. I have to get the brakes done, and I actually found the brake pads at my local O'Reilly's for like $65 for the front and $50 for the rear. I think the front has 6 piston, and the rear I'm not too sure. It looks like a 4 piston, but I could be wrong. And the way you know is look in the wheel. You see the little humps? I don't know if you can see that. There's one hump here, 2 hump here. No, 1 hump here, 2 in the middle, and here's 3. So 3 and 3 is 6. Gonna get that done. So yeah. Any questions, go ahead and shoot them in the comments. If you want me to make any more videos, just go ahead and let me know. Like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. You know, it supports the channel. And have an awesome day, guys. Beautiful day in Des Moines, Iowa. Let's keep it going. Bye.